Should be a quick video. Not sure if it will be, but let's go ahead and get into it. Today, we are installing a second battery into the ProR. So this is from UTV Stereo. Here's the fancy pants battery. Millie's over there crying for some reason. Maybe she's got to go pee. Let's go let her out real quick. Millie, you got to go pee? There you go. First issue here. How in the frick do you get that battery in there? It's a tight squeeze. I'm going to do some rocking and rolling with it. See if I can get it to drop in there. I figured out how to get a battery in there. You got to take a battery out. So take that battery out with the bracket, and then you could slide the new battery over to the side. But I did also identify the factory hold down bolts are these guys. And then the ones that they sent you are these ones. And I don't like that those are different. I don't want a hex for one battery, or an Allen for one battery and a Torx for the other. I'm pretty sure I have two more of these. So I'm just gonna get those so they're all the same. Let me learn you a trick I learned when I was 5. Let me show you right crispy here. Do you got a bolt that needs to go somewhere that's right next to a hole that goes to the abyss? Well, just put your frickin' bolt on a, whoa, what's going on here? Put your bolt on a magnet like this and install it. See, you can even do a little twisterooski with it. And once it bites, it stops twisting, and then your bolt is where it needs to be. Tricks. Something else real quick. Really important note when taking the factory battery out of a ProR. These here little fellers go right here. So that one's already in there. That is what the bolt screws to. And these just fall out. So if you take those out, those bolts, either take the blocks out or thread the bolts back in so that it holds the block in place, because you lose that and you're going to be saying all kinds of colorful words. All right, it's installed. I've got 2 extra cables because of the winch. So you've got your factory negative, which has got the little 90 bend on it, factory positive. This is my winch one. This is my winch one is down here, and then I've got the 2 little loop-de-doos. Make sure you go red to red and black to black there, fellers. That's it. That concludes this video of UTV Stereo dual ProR battery install. I should have been a frickin' voiceover. What a cool job that would be.